Today, Axial Wraith gets some brand new fancy wheels thanks to a giveaway at Big Buddha's RC Ranch. So, this is Roadside RC. I'm Troy.
Logan.
This is Logan. See us doing crawling and bashing and drifting and racing and all this other kind of stuff. And sometimes we're going to do parts demonstrations or how-to videos. And so today we're going to be looking at these Vanquish Varihub wheels. Pretty trick little items here. And looking at putting them onto Logan's Wraith as somewhat of an upgrade. So let's check it out.
Look at that.
Looks fancy. Check that out. That looks so cool. Oh, hey, you gotta slide them out. You gotta look at it here. Look at those fancy wheels, and look at this Varihub design in here. That is really, really cool. How you can choose the offset of the wheel. Look at that. You have the little Team Ottsix Racing logo carved in it, and all of the screws. all of the screws.
I just hope you don't have to take all this out. I think all these outside ones are just for this part right here.
Which is, so it comes with screws. That's good. So we have screws.
More screws? Don't we only have screws?
And then we have these fancy hubs. So how this works, look at that. That looks cool. Oh, it looks like a brake rotor. Oh, that's fun.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, so by putting it in here, you choose, see how far back that is? You choose how far in, how far offset you want your wheel to be. So you can go all the way from, what does the maximum look like here? So the maximum looks like about 10 millimeters from that surface, all the way out to flush. It looks like 0. And so look, the ring actually, the inside ring has a groove, so this sets in that.
Because look, you see there's only 3 holes there.
Yeah, you can see it right here, 3 holes. And so then you're gonna line that up.
Wow, look how fancy that is.
Interesting. Alright, so Logan and I have noticed something. The inside of these rings is not symmetrical side to side. You'll see this side has a big angle to it. This side is square. That matters. It matters a lot. So the front ring, very, very square, so goes in the square side. The back ring has the angle in it, goes in the back. If you get them backwards, you will never, ever, ever get your wheel together. Other trick that we have found with using these is we would actually go ahead and get, because of these square edges, it's actually hard to get the rubber to flow the right way to get the wheel together. So what we find is, of course, put your centering in first. After you put your centering in, get the front tire to sit in the proper location. Make sure it's aligned right with the center ring for where these 3 mounting bolts then need to go down. Then set the rear in and work the rear tire into the bead area like it should be. And once you've done that, it'll actually finally then go together appropriately. If you don't do it that way, it's gonna screw up.